Hey guys,
Uh,
welcome to NuttX channel. Today, our idea is to talk how to use GPS on NuttX. So we have here our friend Rodrigo Singh. Hey Rodrigo,
Hi, Ala. Hi, guys. Good evening. Good morning.
how are you doing? Everything alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. A pleasure to be here again to talk about lyrics.
Oh, it's our pleasure to receive you and get you showing a new feature.
Nice. So let's share my screen and we can start. Uh, so before go to the lyrics, I will show the hardware. Okay, so what I have in hands is this model, this GPS model here. Is an old one. I think it's outdated, so it's not even possible to buy. I think they have new versions of this one, but I have this one. I have this version 3, and it has some interesting things like they also have RTC here, so we can put a coin cell here
Oh, cool.
and a battery, and uh, you can have the RTC, right? You can save the timestamp.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, this one here has a connector. Oh, I will say that mine didn't have this connector because I didn't see, but now I see that I have this connector here to connect the external antenna. So this model, it has an internal antenna and also the possibility to add the external one. I don't have this little cable here, so I use the internal one.
Okay.
And let me see if I can put some light here too.
Yeah, another interesting thing about this module is the PPS signal. Uh, Normally, GPS, when have this pin,
Mhm.
they send a pulse each second, so it can be used to synchronize things. For example, if you have two or more GPS module like this one,
Mhm.
you can have this pulse synchronized. So, for example, imagine you want to make things happen in a range of nanoseconds to start something. This pulse can be used to trigger something like that. So, if you, for example, uh, have two or more modules like this one and
Mhm.
put this PPS signal in the oscilloscope for each one, you can see they mostly start at the same time, and so it's very useful to synchronize things.
Nice. And yeah, we have other things like this. Uh, I think this 3.3, it's a output. So if you put here in the
Mm-hmm.
V in 5 volts, you can get
3.3 volt as
triple
output.
as output.
Oh, cool.
And you have here the fix. So I think if it's not if the device the GPS didn't get the fix yet, it will pulse
Mm-hmm.
in a way, and if they get the fix, it will pulse in another way. I need to check the manual for that, but I think let me show the camera here. Sorry, it's not here, so I'm not sure if the quality for the image will be
Yeah,
so good.
is okay. You
So
can
we
see.
have here this guy,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see that the fix is flashing about I think half second or 1 second.
Yeah, like 1 second.
And I think after the get the fix, it will flash only it 15 seconds. I do think.
Mm-hmm.
And so this board has a lot of things, but I just connected the power, the VIN and the GND, and the TX and RX from the wired communication.
Mm-hmm.
And in our board, I use the USART 6. That's the one that is available for us. So let me try to show here. I'm using the PC6 and PC7. That's our USART 6. And I think that is documented in your board documentation on the NuttX site. So yeah, so very simple connections today, just the WART. And let me see here, just a second. Yeah, so here's the our board documentation. So I'm using this USART. So TXPC6, RXPC7.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one that I'm using. And so the communication between the the GPS module and the our board is using USART, so uh, serial communication, and we don't need to add anything, any code in our board support package. Just the I think you just need to configure the example, right? In some.
Yeah.
So let's begin. Did I miss anything, Alan, or can we
No,
start?
yeah,
Show?
I think we can start. You already
Yeah.
you already show the pins, and you you connected the module in the board using the 5 volts instead of 3.3, as you point out, because this 3.3 in the module is the output, so we cannot use it.
Hmm.
Yeah, because this module was mm, basically some module for some Arduino, for example. So
Yeah.
yeah, it should work with 5 volts instead of 3.3.
And they have a big label on the back of the board saying 5 volts tolerant.
Okay, yeah. Actually, the voltage input support 3.3 to 5 volts. Actually, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
and
correct.
even the logic pins can handle 5
Mm-hmm.
volts.
Yeah, great, great.
Okay, so let's start. So we don't have any code for today. I'm just I
So the
going to
step.
configure. So
Mm-hmm.
make
Configure.
can configure here. I think it's already here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, you can configure and make menu
menu. Yeah, menu config.
config. Uh, Let me get my annotations here. You have first to enable the USART 6.
Mm-hmm.
So system type, STM32 peripheral support. And I go down until the USART 6.
Yeah,
Oh, it's already enabled.
it's
That's
enabled.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
Now I go to device driver and I need to configure the serial driver support because we need to change the baud rate. So yeah, serial driver support. Uh, Site 6 configuration should be down here. And here I need to change the baud rate to 9600.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's it for here. Nothing else here. Okay. Now I need to go to library routines. And there are two things here. First, because we are going to print some floating point in the
Mm-hmm.
application, I need to enable float point in printf. And another thing that I discovered when I built was I need to enable this. Uh, Let me get this.
Yeah.
This library here is seems like a parser for the output that the GPS model is sending, so we
Yeah.
need to
The
enable that.
EMEA
Yeah,
um, serial protocol. Um, this is the standard for GPS. So this
no-
library convert this part, uh, this serial protocol, this data, and convert it uh, to latitude, longitude, and other information from GPS.
nice. So that's all here. And in the application, I need to enable the in examples the GPS application. Okay, almost there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
GPS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nothing else here. So the configuration is pretty simple as well.
Yeah.
The only thing is this library that I think
Yeah. I
we
think
need
that
to.
the trick is to get it to work is enable uh, the library and enable the floating point, because normally people would think about to enable the serial port, change the baud rate, but they probably will miss these two other things.
Yeah. In fact, if someone miss the NMEA library, it will fail on compilation
Mm-hmm.
because I did that. I I discovered that. So okay, so I think that's all. Let's save and let's make it. Uh, oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's downloaded. Download the.
I think. Let me see what
It's
I
okay.
did here. Oh no, that's right.
It's okay.
Okay.
Download the
Oh,
library
the okay.
and compile it.
Yeah. Okay, so now I will flash the device. I put the device in boot mode
Mm-hmm.
and use the DFU. Hmm, no, that's history pipe grep DFU because I want that command. Okay,
Yeah,
I wanted this one.
you can use Control R and type DFU, so it is fast.
Yeah, the problem is that it comes this one. Do you know
Ah,
how
okay.
to navigate to the other maps? Because when I did the contour and type
If you type
DFU,
DFU and press Control R again, it will,
it will okay.
yeah, you can
Contour
navigate.
again. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's reboot the device. Uh, the problem here is that, in fact, I will not. So it's still
Yeah,
connected here. Okay.
actually, you need to put it outside or in
Yeah.
before, for example, as you have the battery. Probably if you put the battery and it gets position next time, it will get
Mhm.
a position very fast today because we don't put
Mm,
it. Normally, it will delay some time to get the position.
okay, so let's start here. You try to get. They already get three satellites, but I think they need four to get
Yeah,
some
exact.
more precision.
You
So
need
I moved that
yeah, you need to put it
to near
to the window and
but I will let my camera because I need to move away. Okay,
mhm.
and let's see.
Okay, it's still three satellites,
Yeah,
but
but last time I did in same position. It took about 2 minutes to get another one. So let's wait first.
mhm,
Today is a little cloudy here in Campinas. In fact, there was
mhm.
a thunderstorm a few minutes ago.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
uh, but let's wait for a few minutes. It's normally take 2 minutes to get the okay get the photo. Oh no, lose.
yeah. Maybe it is with the yeah. It
Okay,
got yeah got position.
I
Actually,
got it.
now we know exactly where you are because we have
No, you
yeah.
don't know because I changed the application to get offset on that. Because I watch your video and your video in the NuttX channel,
Ah,
we put a like
so if you put this one in the yeah, actually, yeah, if we
so instead of put that how
mhm,
so I need to show the guys the numbers. So in
yeah,
the application I get the positions and put some offset.
uh, good, yeah,
Okay, so it's working.
yeah,
And let me see. I think if I get back to the original position here in the my desk,
yeah.
it may make
Probably
still get the
yeah, probably it's still working, but if the number of satellite reduce, it could lose the position
yeah.
again. But
What I want to
don't you worry.
show is the okay, still getting that. What I want to show is the
Ah, the LED blinking.
yeah.
Yeah, now
So
six satellites return to three.
yeah,
Yeah. Oh,
but it seems like the camera is not working. Let me open again the cheese because it's connected and connect the camera.
yeah. The
Okay,
audio your audio changed because probably because it moved from one camera to other. Oh yeah, yeah.
oh, sorry.
We, we saw that the it's not blink
Yeah, I think it's you blink it. I think
fifteen
it's
seconds.
about yeah 15 seconds because I read some place in the manual.
Mm-hmm.
It's something like that. Yeah, they just
Oh yeah,
blink.
just this.
And
Okay, very good.
yeah, so that is the. So you give me interesting information. So this RTC it will save some data that will be used next time
Yeah, yeah. No,
to
yeah. No, normally these GPS module they have some small battery
Mhm.
in the board. This one does have this small, they have this big one. So probably this one will be used to save the almanac. The almanac is like uh, like an inference where the satellites are supposed to be in the sky, eh, depending of the current date.
Yeah.
Uh,
In the mobile device, we have something similar because we have something they call it the AGPS, that is assisted
yeah,
GPS. So
exactly.
they use
They download it from the internet.
the yeah, and use the base stations to get the locate the not the exact location, but
Hmm.
uh, the approximated location, and then download the assisted GPS from the internet, and they can very quickly get the GPS
Yeah,
satellites.
yeah, cool. Okay, I think we are done, right? That's
Yeah, that's
good.
today was fast, no coding,
Yeah,
so no opportunity to me to master the code, so that was fast.
yeah, great. Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you guys. See you next video.
See you
Bye
guys.
bye.
Bye bye. Just a second. Um,